1 second. See, that's gender bias. Now, a woman comes into my clinic and she wants to have a child. By gender, she can produce a child. She goes ahead with the IVF.
Correct.
The same way, an unmarried man walks into my house. He wants to have an IVF.
There is a problem.
He doesn't have a uterus, so
Yes.
he has to have somebody.
So that is the problem, which certainly we cannot discuss, because so far the provision of the surrogacy bill is concerned, commercial surrogacy is not allowed for the single.
So there is a flaw in the bill.
I agree. That I will be coming certainly.
There is a flaw in the
There
bill.
are number of, because though this issue we cannot debate, because the present surrogacy bill which has been passed by the Lok Sabha has categorically prevented the commercial surrogacy. It means an individual man cannot go for the surrogacy.
But that's unfair. You should. We should.
I know,
we will
it's
have to
that-
appeal to them. See,
Yeah.
a woman can walk in and have a child because she has a uterus, and a man wants to have a child
Correct.
without
correct.
having a wife.
Yeah.
That's
This is but very difficult to
gender bias.
by gender bias. Now another issue which I wanted to flag here, the gamete donation. Now for the surrogacy is concerned, even for altruistic surrogacy also, the gamete donation is not allowed as per the surrogacy bill is concerned. I am not talking about the commercial surrogacy. I am talking about altruistic surrogacy.
Wow.
The gamete donation is not allowed. But people are confusing that, oh, the surrogacy bill has banned all the third party reproduction that include the gamete donation. No, gamete donation is allowed for IVF. So that has to be very, very clear. The gamete donation is allowed for the IVF. Even egg sharing is also allowed. So these two are very, very important points. Embryo donation certainly also, which is part of, though neither the ART bill nor the surrogacy bill talk about that, but ART guidelines talks about that with the consent of the owner or the infertile couple. Certainly you can go for that. Now, so far this ART surrogacy bill is concerned, one of the most important thing is the close relative.
Close relative.
Now there is no any definition of the close relative. Now I would like to have the view of first Dr. Nair. What do you mean by close relatives should be allowed? How do you define who should be the close relative?
Well, Dr. Sharma, you see, in real sense, it is very difficult for any couple who is looking for a surrogacy to find a close relative from her family to be ready to become a surrogate. Close relative, generally speaking, in Indian context, we are looking at the sister of the wife or that relation.
Sister of the wife, sister
Yeah.
of the husband,
No,
or
in generally-
sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law.
Yeah. But it is next to impossible to prepare such candidates to undergo a surrogacy for 9 months for a couple. I don't know how you will going to define this close relative, whether you can create a new close relative.
No, this is the challenge. That's why I want to have your views and all three parameters. Yeah.
Probably that is what going to happen. They will create some new close relative and say she is our close
No,
relative.
you are talking about the blood relation. Means either she should be, the surrogate should be either from the wife side or from the husband
No,
side.
because none of them are ready. Generally, none of them are ready.
No, I'm not talking whether they are ready or not. That
You
is a
are
separate
asking
issue.
who is close?
Who is here? Yeah, my question is only that who should be, if we define it, then who should be? Only this, the blood relative, or some other relative also? What Dr. Sonali you will say about that?
Legally, what is it?
I think legally, if you involve blood relations, then also there is issue of inheritance, property issues also coming in when the child, is born. So there is a property inheritance issue also becomes a huge
In
issue.
that way, the close relatives should not be even allowed for that.
They should not be allowed because that will become a huge problem. If
No, for that, certainly we will make a provision that so for the rights of the child and rights of the surrogate, that certainly we will stop. We can take care of that issue. But
Okay.
otherwise, what do you feel that
Legally, who is a close relative?
legally who is the
Yeah, legally who's a close relative, it again depends on, there is no such term as such close relative. Again, it can depend upon, the 3 lines of parental line, 3 lines of mother, the 3 generation. It can be looked into that ways, because if you look at our family laws, Hindu adoption or any other law or Hindu marriage act and all, they define it as per the 3 generations from the father's side or 3 generations from the mother's side.
So you mean to say that 3 generation, anyone within this 3 generation
Yes.
should be allowed
No,
for
I'm
the
not saying should be allowed. That is the term. That is the close
Legal term.
relative.
should be
Legal term for-
considered as a close relative?
Yes, they are considered as.
Doctor sir, what do you think about that?
I don't know. See, when you hear the word close relative, you always think of a blood relative.
Yeah.
You don't think of a friend as a close relative.
relative.
It may be a close relationship, but it's not a close relative.
But in the bill, the word has been used, the close relative.
And not
Who had
defined.
formed this? Somebody must be.
That is a very difficult question, which anyhow.
But probably we have to give them the option that in future they can create a new close relative.
Let's ask the audience.
Audience,
who is
yeah,
a close
well,
relative?
anybody can.
Anybody can answer.